This little thing right here holds everything you need for 2 to 3 nights in the backcountry. Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim, and I am here to talk to you today about a new piece of gear that I am very excited about, sent to me by PACT Outdoors. This is the Ultralight Outdoor Bathroom Kit. Now, the PACT brand should not be new to anybody who has been following this channel for a while. I was one of the first to review their outdoor bathroom kit, and then they came out with the Lite version. This has been pretty much my go-to for the last several years. Now, the idea with the original is that you've got a full bathroom kit here, along with instructions and some helpful items to help people go to the bathroom outdoors. It comes with a fairly light trowel, 6-inch marker, serrated edge. You're also getting these mycelium tabs that help break down the material that comes out of you, as well as these special biodegradable dehydrated wet wipes to help you get cleaned up. And if you're not going to pack those things out like you should, at least they're going to degrade faster in the ground so that somebody else or an animal doesn't come upon them in the backcountry and cause a problem. The kit sold for $50 and came with wipes and mycelium tabs. You could replace the trowel by itself for $20. Now, the problem with this kit is that although it had everything you needed, it was pretty heavy and pretty bulky. Although the trowel by itself was only 1.3 ounces, when you put the whole thing in a big kit like this, it got a bit too heavy for most backpackers. Well, that's when PACT came out with the PACT Lite. This is a single trowel case that stores the tabs and the wipes inside the handle. Now, the trowel on this was basically the same. You still had the 6-inch mark. It's about 8 inches long, still has the serrated edges. The main difference is that there was an extra handle that was hollow, and that allowed you to store your wipes and tabs. So you've got this cord that comes off, and then this pulls out. And inside here, you keep your supplies. Now, for obvious reasons, this was a lot better for day hikers and backpackers because it was still extremely lightweight, but you could carry it in a much smaller fashion, and you weren't loading up with all the compartments and zippers and everything, plus all the extra tabs and wipes that it could hold. If you're just going out for a few days, this was great. Now, the Lite system, because it came with the extra storage handle, was 2 ounces, and it went up to 4 if it was fully stocked with 15 wipes and 20 mycelium tabs. It ran $35, which was not bad at all, and it included a pack of 20 wipes and 60 tabs. Now, both of these products were pretty cool. A lot of people liked them. It got picked up by REI, but I think what the backpackers out there have been waiting for is a true ultralight version. And that is where the PACT UL Outdoor Bathroom Kit comes in. This little thing right here holds everything you need for 2 to 3 nights in the backcountry. Now, this trowel is only 2.1 ounces. The whole kit raises to 3.1 when it is fully stocked. Now, the first thing they changed is that the trowel itself is obviously quite a bit smaller. It's only 4 inches long and about 1¼ inches wide while stored, and it expands to a 7¼ inch trowel. This is a 2-piece system. You just take this off, screw it on to the handle, and you've got a little trowel. Now, this is obviously a very different design. However, it works very well. You've got a good gnarled grip. Your hand's not going to slip. They also remove the serrated edge, probably for safety. I don't really find the serrated edges on trowels terribly useful, so I don't miss that. What I do like is the nice digging point on this. It's not going to hurt your finger, but it's going to rip through the dirt. So where do the wipes and tabs go? Well, that is where these 2 end caps come in. Each one of them unscrews, kind of like a cool Rambo knife, and inside you have your product. So here are the wipes. And as you might expect, on the other side, you have a container for the mycelium tabs. Oop, spilled a few there. Altogether, the trowel will hold 7 wipes and 9 tabs. Now, the storage on this is not going to get you many days in the backcountry, but what I love about this is that if you are just going out for a couple of days, you might be able to get away with this. And if you're going on a day hike, it should certainly serve its purpose. Further, if you are going farther, all you need to do is have some extra tabs and wipes that you probably already keep anyway in your poop kit, but at least when you go out to do your business, you know that if you just have this, you are good to go. The kit with a package of wipes and a package of tabs runs $40. All right, so that is the PACT Ultralight outdoor bathroom kit. If you are interested in this, please check out the links below. It does help the channel if you use those at no extra cost to you. If you like the video, would you mind clicking like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you are into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.